Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 2, and we are learning unit number 5, and its title is Harsher's Honesty. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 2, under the title of Grammar, we will learn about the use of question words, that how we can use question words in our daily routine and in our daily speech and writing. Before, in English for grade 1, my dear students, already you have learned about question words. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again, and today we are going to learn further about it. Use questioning words what, who, where, when, and why. So today we are going to get about these question words. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 115, to Allah belongs to the east and the west. Wherever you turn, there is the presence of Allah Almighty. Subhanallah. My dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us about the presence of Almighty Allah, that Allah Almighty is everywhere, even where you are. Even where you go, you will find Allah Almighty with us everywhere, wherever we go. Okay, my dear students? So this beautiful verse is telling us that whatever in the earth, whatever in the heaven, in the whole universe, Allah is present everywhere. If there are two persons, so third one is Allah Almighty. Okay, so we don't think that if someone is not watching us, if we are alone, so it means we are alone. No, my dear students, our Allah Almighty is always with us. Okay, so be careful while thinking, while doing anything. So we have to keep remember that Allah Almighty is always observing us, watching us, even what we think in our mind, He is observing. Okay, so let's move. The question words are what, who, where, why, and when. These are also called, my dear students, WH family. You can see that WH what, who, where, why, when. This family is also called WH family and question words. So now we are going to read that use of who. First is use of what. Okay. What is used to inquire about something. Okay, when we want to inquire about something, so we use what, either that is living thing or non-living thing. Is it clear? So suppose, what time is it? What do you want to eat? What does this sentence mean? Is it clear? And always question sentences being ended by a question mark. So you have to keep remember that, my dear students. We have to put question mark at the end of the question sentence. Okay, these are called question sentences, and where we have to use what, about asking something, either that is living, either that is non-living. Keep remember. Okay, got it? Next, use of who. Who is used to inquire about someone, especially person, my dear students. So we have to use who, like who is in the room, who is teaching you, definitely your teacher is teaching you, who is out of the room. Okay, in this way we have to use who. Look, who is this man? Who did this? Who will be the winner of the game? Got it? So when we are inquiring about a person especially, so then we have to use who. Next is why. Why is being used, my dear students, to ask about a reason. Okay, when we want, suppose something happened and we want to inquire the reason, then we have to use why. So see there, why are you late? Why didn't you come to school? Why did you break the glass? Is it clear? When something happened, either that is good or bad, so then, for example, we want to inquire reason, then we have to use why. If you are coming school late, so definitely teacher will inquire, why are you late? So it means teacher is inquiring a reason, and you have to inform about the reason. Have you got? Next one, when. Yes, when is used to inquire or tell about time. Okay, got it? Any time. Suppose When can I see you again? Means days, months, even on time. And when is next Cricket World Cup? When are you going to Karachi? It means that one is inquiring time, that when you are going to Karachi. Okay, so it means that one is being used when we want to inquire about time. Is it clear? Next is how we can get that. We use question words to ask questions about people, things, and places. A question mark is used at the end of the questions. So have you got that, my dear students, that where we have to use question words and we have to put question marks if we want to inquire about things, if we want to inquire about persons or places or any reason. So we have to use question words. And when we are inquiring questions, so we have to put question mark at the end of the sentence. So have you got? Good job. So now be ready for activity. It's activity time. In this activity, teacher will show a very interesting picture to students. For example, the following picture. Look at the picture. In this way, you can show any interesting picture to your students. And after that, you have to put questions. After showing the picture, teacher could ask various questions to the students. For example, where is the blind man sitting? What are the children buying? How many children are playing basketball? Who is sitting under the tree? Where is the car? What time is it? Okay, according to the picture, because these questions are prepared according to the picture, my dear teacher. That picture you are showing to your students, so you can prepare questions, you can ask questions according to your picture. Okay, so this activity, pause the video and this activity, perform this activity in your class and then come back. Welcome back. Good job. I hope now you have got that if someone is asking questions, so which type of question he is asking and what you have to reply. Good. Excellent. So now on your book, you have to do on page number 43, question number 6 is there. Use the question words from the word bank to complete each question. Word bank is there and you have to put the question word. Okay. So now this activity you have to perform individually in your class on your book. Pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Good job. Welcome back. I hope you have done it and now you have got that where you have to use which question word. Good. So what's our proposed homework? Use question words and interview someone at your home. After interviewing, you can write all these questions in your notebook. First of all, you have to interview at your home of someone. It's up to you if you want to interview your brother, if you want to interview your sister, mother, or father. Okay, it's up to you. After questioning these questions, you will write in your notebook. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should get it and provide it to your students in printed form so that we might be able to get that how much knowledge they have got about the use of question words. So what we have covered today, we learned about the questioning words, what, who, where, why, and when. We practiced using the question words what, who, where, why, and when, and in this way we have covered up our this session. So my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture and you got that how you can use question words. So tomorrow with a new lecture we will be soon, inshallah. Till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.